Hello viewers, welcome to Eklavi Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is the output of the following code in Python language. The code given is df f of m comma n ands equal 1 count equals 0 then while loop ands less than or equal to m count equal to count plus 1 ands equal to and star n print of count then f of 2000 comma 3. So what is the output for this code? So we will see. So here we call the function f of 2000 comma 3. So we are passing this value to the function f of m comma n, so which means m value is 2000, then n value is 3. Then within the function we are having two variables, ands equal to 1 count equals 0, then while loop ands less than or equal to m, so which means 1 less than or equal to 2000. This condition is true, so which means the count is incremented by 1. So previously the count value is 0, now it is 1. Then ands is equal to and star n, ands is 1 star, and value is 3. So the value of ands becomes 3 now. Okay, so after that again we execute the loop. Now the value of ands is 3. So 3 less than or equal to 2000, it is true. So the value of count is incremented by 1. Now it is true. Then ands is equal to and star n. So previously the ands value is 3 star, n value is 3, it is 9. Okay. Then again the loop is executed. 9 less than or equal to 2000, it is true. So count value is incremented, it is 3 now. Then ands is equal to, previously ands value is 9, so 9 star 3 means it is 27. So again we check the loop. So 27 less than or equal to 2000, yes, it is true. So the count value is incremented, so it is 4 now. Then ands is equal to, so previously the ands value is 27, then we multiply that one by n, so that is 3, so it is 81. So again we check the condition, 81 less than or equal to 2000, yes, condition is true. So the value of count is incremented, now it is 5. Then ands is equal to, so 81 star 3, it is 243. Okay, again we are checking the condition, 243 less than or equal to 2000, yes, it is true. So the count value is incremented, it is 6. Then ands is equal to 243 star 3, so it is 729. Okay, so again the value is checked, so 729 less than or equal to 2000, yes, it is true. So the count value is incremented, it is 7 now. Then ands is equal to 729 into 3, so which means it is 2187. So again we check the condition, 2187 less than or equal to 2000, now the condition becomes false. Okay, so now the loop is terminated, then it prints the value of count. So finally the value stored in the count is 7. So this one prints the output 7. So I hope everyone understands this one. Thank you all.